Water intake explained. How much should you drink per day? Most people think staying healthy means forcing down 8 glasses of water every single day. But how much water does your body actually need? The real answer is simpler, smarter, and backed by science, not marketing. Today, we're breaking down how hydration really works, where your water truly comes from, and why that famous 8-glass rule was never the full story. The idea that you need to drink 8 glasses of water a day is one of the most repeated health rules in modern life. It shows up in fitness challenges, wellness blogs, school posters, and even doctors' offices. But for something repeated so confidently, almost nobody knows where it came from or whether it's even true. To understand what your body truly needs, we have to go back to the origin of this belief. In 1945, the U.S. Food and Nutrition Board released a recommendation stating that the average person needs about 2.5 liters of water a day. That sounds very close to 8 cups. But here's the part most people never hear. In that same recommendation, it clearly states that most of this water comes from the food you eat. That one sentence was ignored for decades, and the simplified version, drink 8 glasses daily, was born. The rule spread because it was catchy, simple, and easy to turn into wellness advice, and eventually, advertising. But the human body is far more sophisticated than a one-size-fits-all rule. Your hydration needs change based on temperature, activity level, diet, and even stress. Your body has a built-in monitoring system, and it tells you exactly when you need water. It's called thirst. When your fluid levels dip, your brain signals you to drink long before dehydration becomes dangerous. So let's break down the real question: how much water do you actually need per day? For most healthy adults, the answer is surprisingly flexible. If you eat meals, drink beverages, and respond to your thirst cues, you're usually getting enough. That's because hydration doesn't come from water alone. Many foods naturally contain large amounts of water, sometimes more than a glass of it. For example, watermelon is about 92% water. Cucumbers? Around 96% water. Strawberries, lettuce, yogurt, oatmeal, apples, spinach, soup, oranges, cooked rice, the list goes on. Even a baked potato is roughly 70% water inside. Every bite of these foods adds to your daily hydration without you even realizing it. So what about drinks like coffee or tea? For years, people insisted caffeine dehydrates you. But according to modern research, that's not really true. Coffee and tea may have mild diuretic effects, but the liquid you drink still counts toward your water intake. The idea that caffeine doesn't count is outdated. In reality, your body keeps most of the fluid from these beverages. This leads to a bigger truth: you are more hydrated than you think. If you eat several servings of fruit or vegetables and drink normal beverages throughout the day, you're likely hitting your hydration goals naturally. You're not falling behind. You're not drying out. You're simply following your body's system, which is exactly what you're supposed to do. But why does the 8 glasses a day myth continue to spread? The answer is part simplicity and part business. As bottled water became a booming industry in the 1990s and 2000s, marketing played a major role in shaping public beliefs. Companies leaned into the idea that people weren't drinking enough water, suggesting that fatigue, dry skin, or low energy could be fixed simply by buying more bottles. The result? A billion-dollar commercial narrative built around a half-truth. So, what is the real science-based approach? Most health experts agree on this: drink when you're thirsty. Your body signals your needs with impressive accuracy. If you're sweating heavily, exercising, or in extreme heat, you'll naturally need more. If you're sick with vomiting or diarrhea, you'll need more. Older adults should pay closer attention, because thirst cues can weaken with age. But outside of those scenarios, Your daily water needs are covered by a mix of beverages and foods. And yes, water is still the best choice when you actually feel thirsty, but forcing yourself to drink excessive amounts just in case isn't helpful. In fact, overhydration can dilute essential minerals like sodium, leading to unpleasant or even dangerous symptoms. Rare, yes, but it proves that too much water isn't automatically better. The simplest hydration check doesn't require apps, formulas, or charts. Look at your urine color. Pale or light yellow? You're hydrated. Dark yellow? Time to drink. Completely clear? You might be overdoing it. Your kidneys, not the wellness industry, are the real experts. So how much water should you drink per day? There's no universal number. No fixed rule. No magic 8. Your needs depend on your lifestyle, your diet, your environment, and your body's natural rhythms. The bottom line is this: follow your thirst, eat water-rich foods, and let your body guide you. Hydration shouldn't feel like a chore, it should feel natural. So the next time someone says you need 8 glasses of water a day, you'll know the truth. Your body already knows how much water you need, and it's been telling you all along. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more science made simple, make sure to follow for the next deep dive.